Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making apple pie egg rolls because now's the time to make apple pie, but I'm gonna make it in egg rolls. So I'm starting off with 1 can of these Duncan Hines apple filling, and to that I'm gonna add a little vanilla flavor. Then I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit. Now here I have some melted butter, and to this I'm gonna add some brown sugar just because it's usually kind of clumpy and I want to soften it up a little bit more. And I'm gonna whisk it a little bit, and then I'm gonna add this to my apples. Next, I'm going to add some white sugar, just a little bit because it's already sweet. Now, since I added more sugar and butter, I also added some more cinnamon just to add a little more cinnamon flavor to this. And then I'm going to mix this all up and get ready to put it in my egg rolls. These are the egg roll wrappers that I'm going to be using. So this is what the egg rolls look like. I'm just going to take a little bit of filling and put it right in the middle. And then I'm going to roll it up. I forgot to put the water on the first one, y'all. This is what the egg rolls look like all rolled up. Y'all, I forgot to put the water on the edges to seal this one, so we're gonna see how this one turn out. But you just use water to seal the edges and you'll roll them up, and the better you get, this is how they look. The more you roll, the better they get. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator to chill for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna fry them. Now I got my oil heating on medium heat. I'm gonna drop one in there and see what happens. We just gonna test one to see how this turn out. this is what the rolls look like fresh out of the grease. I'm gonna let them cool down for a second, and then I'm gonna roll them in this cinnamon sugar. And this is what the rolls look like all done. You can serve them with a side of caramel sauce or ice cream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.